So what makes the SolidRF Signal Plus so special? I can tell you right now, this system is almost half the cost of competitive systems of the same performance configured the same way. This system has 2 interior antennas, so you can cover 2 different zones within your home or your small office. It has a very sturdy amplifier, and it comes complete. Let's talk about the SolidRF Signal Plus configuration and the components that are delivered with the kit. At the core of it, we have the amplifier, the 5-band cell signal booster using True 5 technology that SolidRF has developed. This amplifier covers all the carriers, Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint. This system comes with 2 interior broadcast antennas connected with this splitter, allowing you to have signal in 2 different areas of a home or a small office to help you spread out over an irregular shaped area. Also comes with a LPDA Yagi antenna, high gain, so that you can point it towards your towers and collect as much signal as possible. All of this comes with our new Signal Plus kit. The SolidRF Signal Plus Cell Signal Booster. Excellent option for a home or small office. Excellent price, excellent performance, excellent warranty, and especially an excellent manufacturer.